To Changzhou famous international trading company. We are the cold roll forming machine manufacturer located in Guochou, Changzhou, Hebei, China. Today, I would like to introduce one of our hot sliding working line as our sliding line. For this, the sliding line is include the few machines. Like from the beginning is our hydraulic depolar. So after depolar, it will go for the leveling. After the leveling, then it will go for cutting machine. After cutting, the next machine it will go for the damping machine. And in the last one is our recoiler. So this is the whole working line, include the 5 sets of the machines. Okay. Later I will introduce one by one. Let's move for the decoiler. This is our hydraulic decoiler. How does it work? Is normally we will put the steel coils here. Use your any tools, maybe like trolley car or whatever other tools, put the steel coils here. And after put here, then the 3 arms will be open. After open, then it will make inside very tight. After this, then on the top of the roller will be put down. So make sure the steel coil is don't move to the right side or left side. So after this, it means it's the finished loading. For this hour, the hydraulic decoiler, the total power is 11 kilowatts, and the maximum can loading for 15 tons of the steel coil. Okay, so after the loading the steel coils, then the steel coils will be moved to the leveling station. Here is the leveling station. The function of the leveling station is to make the steel coils become like the flat in the leveling. For this, the leveling it have the 11 roller. The upper is 5 roller. And the downer is the 6 roller. The materials of the roller is number 45 steel. The diameter of the roller is 75 millimeters. For this hour, the machine is the leveling machine is also equipped with the cutting system. After steel coils become the flat, then the next it will go for the cutting. This one is our cutting machine. If you can see clearly, the cutting machine is equipped this cutter. The materials of the cutter is chrome 12 MOV. The reason why we use these materials because the hardness of the cutter will be very high and it will have the very long service. Next one is the shaft. The shaft of the cutter we use is chrome 40. The reason why we use the chrome 40 because this whole working line is suitable for the materials is 0.3 to 3 millimeters. If you use the weak shaft, so it will be hard to cut the steel coils. For this cutter, the working speed 40 meters per minute, and the total power is 22 kilowatts. It's 22 kilowatts. It can maximum cut into 22 pieces. If you can see clearly, for this one, it's cut into 2 slides. The side it have the extra steel coils. The extra steel coils is the one is the waste one. After cutting, it will go for damping machine. Here is the damping machine. It have the recycle roller to recycle the extra steel coils. And this one is damping machine. It's equipped with 2 leveling rollers. You have to adjust the distance of the distance to match the steel coils width. After leveling, it will go for the next position is rubber roller. The function of this rubber roller is to make it very tight. It don't move. It's very tight because after this it will go for the recoiler. It will go for the recoiler, and Before you recolor this one, you must make sure the steel cord is not loose. I think this one is common sense. If this one is loose, when it recoil, the steel cord will either move to the right side or the left side. After stamping machine, then it will go for the last part. Last part is the hydraulic recoiler. For this machine, the total power is 22 kilowatts as well. It's 22 kilowatts as well. And the loading is 15 tons as well. It's the same as the depolar. Okay, so this is the whole working line about the slitting line. From the beginning is the depolar and leveling, cutting, damping, and the recoiler. The function of it is to make the steel cords from the big size cut into the different widths of the steel coils. The thickness is 0.3 to 3 millimeters. For this, the whole working line, no matter like which part is you're not satisfied, then you just give us the requirement, then we will upgrade the whole working line is according to your new requirement.
Zhangzhou, famous international trading company, located in Botou City, Hebei Province, China. Established in 1995 as a professional manufacturers of roll forming machine, we use AutoCAD design software. With more than 10 years of experiences and strict quality control, our machine meet international standard. We are the leading manufacturer and reported of roll forming machine in China. We manufacture various kinds of roll forming machine for producing the following products, such as roof tile, wall panel, roofing corrugated sheet, floor deck, CZ purlin, highway guardrail, sandwich panel, container board, car panel, roll shutter door, downspout, decorated gusset, steel pipe, and so on. Our products with rational structure, good looking, and duration have been exported to Uganda, Bolivia, Uruguay, Nigeria, Ghana, Vietnam, Myanmar, Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, India, Philippines. Welcome to visit our factory. We shall create a beautiful future with you, by our management tenet, top quality, credit-based.